Get to know something unique about Craven Tenor Guitars. In 2021, Led Freddie Nelson began the design of the first authentic archtop tenor guitar to be crafted in limited production since 1965. What made his guitars unique was the dedication to use nothing but the finest hand-selected solid tone woods and custom-made tenor-specific components. There could be no shortcuts or laminated woods used. Led Freddie was designing for tone, resonance, and artistic integrity, not for mass production and wholesale distribution. Craven Tenor Guitars would be directed by Led Freddie to always focus on the elements of tonal quality, resonance, sustain, and artistic qualities, to continually strive for excellence rather than flooding the market with lackluster, poor-sounding instruments. In 2024, Craven Tenor Guitars introduced the Shari Ulrich Songbird Grande to our Songbird Tenor Guitar collection. The full concert size of the Songbird Grande is the perfect pairing of the qualities found in our Songbird. Espresso O body size introduced first in 2022. The Songbird Grande is handcrafted from select solid hand-chosen Sitka spruce and solid mahogany woods. The finish is hand-applied Klondike gold stain to accentuate the wood's dynamic tight grain in a process that assures every guitar is unique to itself. The cutaway step on the lower bow provides a comfortable, relaxed playing experience when seated. Ethically sourced abalone inlay, rosette and purfling accompany the black and white celluloid binding for a distinguished, elegant look. Each and every Songbird Grande is handcrafted to standards required by professional musicians, yet remain affordable for most new and novice players. Your guitar is presented to you in its lush hardshell case. And now, Ms. Shari Ulrich.
It's Shari Ulrich here with the Songbird tenor guitar, Craven tenor guitar. I have the first iteration in the background here. And this is the newest one. This is the Grande or Grande, depending on your persuasion. And I'm pretty blown away here. This is really, really great to play. So it's got the solid hand-selected Sitka spruce on the top and solid mahogany on the rest, and it's got scalloped bracing in the inside. This is kind of guitar geek stuff that is not necessarily what matters to me. What matters to me is that I love the sound of it, and I love how it feels to play. But it also has this cool bevel here that makes it much more comfortable. I'm used to a smaller guitar, so that was a really nice thing to have to mitigate the fact that it's a little bit, a bigger body guitar. Love the cutaway. It's just so much fun to play. So it's similar to the Martin Grand Performance, if you're familiar with that. I love plugging mine in, which I'm not going to do today, because we really want you to hear how it sounds acoustically, which is pretty fantastic. I tune to A, E, A, E for right now, this open tuning, because I'm just kind of hooked on it, and I keep writing songs in that tuning. So that's what you're going to hear with this next song. This next song is for anyone who has lost a partner. It was inspired by my sister-in-law who lost her husband a few years ago, who was my brother. And the mantra for years following a loss is, "You should be here." Today's your birthday. I'm baking your favorite cake, the same one your mother makes. You should be here. Our old neighbors are coming down from the north, maybe hang around. Help me fix a few things that I found. You should be here. Planted a willow tree, taking walks on our favorite beach. Waves of missing you break over me. You should be here. At nights with those sunsets, those moments I won't forget. We should have had so many left. You should be here. Loving you. Today is your birthday. I'm baking your favorite cake like every other day.